Today we're going to sketch some hyperbolas. Alright, we will start with something simple. Let's go with x squared over 9 minus y squared over 16 equals 1. Okay, now just like the ellipse, we want to know what the center is. And because we're not adding or subtracting anything from x or y, our center is at 0, 0. And then we focus on our denominators here. So we've got a squared is 9, which means that a is 3. So along the x-axis, we're going to count out 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and then the other way, 1, 2, 3. Now b squared is 16, which means that b is 4. So from the center, but now vertically, we're going to count out 1, 2, 3, 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Now this helps us define where our asymptotes will be. What I'm going to do, just to make it clear, is I'm going to draw a rectangle, and our asymptotes will go through the diagonals of the rectangle. So there's one asymptote and the other asymptote. Now our graph, we take our points here and start drawing a graph that's asymptotic to our lines, just like that. So there's one part, and there's the other part, and that's it. We're just going to do a little labeling. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, y, and x. And there's one hyperbola. Okay, our second equation that we're going to graph is going to start with y squared now. So let's do y squared over 4 minus x plus 1 squared over 25 equals 1. Okay, so we'll start again with the center, which will be negative 1, 0. Right, we're subtracting negative 1 from x and 0 from y, so our center is at negative 1, 0. Now a squared is 4, which means that a is 2, but notice that our first expression is y squared instead of x squared. So we are going to go up 2 units and down 2 units along the vertical rather than the horizontal. Then our b squared is 25 and our b is 5. Now we go along the horizontal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that helps us define our asymptotes. All right. There's one asymptote through one diagonal. There's the other. And now we start here and we draw a graph getting closer and closer to the asymptotes we drew from the rectangle. Here and here. And then just a little bit of labeling. That's an X. And we're done.